Hello everyone, welcome to my computer science project named School App, which is actually a Python program having an app-like interface. Here you can see the welcome screen or the home page of my program. Here instructions have been written, one for registration, two for login and -1 for quitting the app. So I'll show you first how to log in. So we'll press 2 and log in as a student. So we'll press 1. I will take the ID from my database. Any random ID I'll take. So let me take this ID. And it's asking for the password. So I'll enter the correct password. So if you try to enter any other wrong password also, it will ask you again to enter the same ID and enter the password again. So this time we have entered the correct password. So it displays the name of the user as well as the operations and along with the keys. So you have to enter the correct keys in order to perform those functions. So here you can check the personal detail, fee details and everything whatever there are listed. So let us check his personal details first. So we'll press 1. So as you can see here the personal details. Now let us press 2 in order to see the fee details, 3 for progress report and 4 in order to enter into the library. Here we are instructed to put the serial number of the required books in a list format. So we are going to put 4 such serial numbers in a list format. So here we got our 4 books issued from the library. We can also send letter to principal. For that we need to press 5. As you can see that here it says that you can only send the letter to principal and you have to type done after writing the letter. Now the letter is in process. You can also check the notices which have come for student from principal or from the director. For that you need to press 6. Here you can see that there are total 3 notices which have come, 2 from principal and 1 from director. You can change the password by pressing 7. In order to quit the app, you need to go back to home page. For that you may press 0 and from there you can press -1 to quit the app. Now we will log in as a principal and see what as a principal we can do. For that I'll choose the ID and the password of the principal from my database. It is the dashboard of the principal having his name Jai Prakash and the operations what he can perform along with the keys. Now let us check his personal details by pressing 1. Here are his personal details. Principal can also write letter to teacher or director by pressing 2. So here I'll be writing to teacher. So I'll press 1. I have to enter the ID of that teacher. So let me select one of the teacher from the database. Here it is displaying that you are going to write a letter for Nisha Patel. So again I have to follow the same, that is I have to type done after writing the letter. The letter is being sent. Now let us check the letters which had come from student or may have come from the employees by pressing 3. There are in total 13 letters which have come from different sources, which are some students and employees both. Now it is the time to check the notices which have come to the principal, and we can see that by pressing 4. So we can see that there are no notices which have come to principal. Now it's the time to explore new feature. As a principal we can also send the notices by pressing 5. As you can see that you can send the notice to either students or to employees. So I'll choose to send the notice to employees. So I'll press 2. So again the same format of writing the notice as well. I have to write the notice and press done after writing. Now as a principal, if you want to change your password, you can do it by pressing 6. Now again, in order to quit the app, you have to go back to the home page by pressing 0 and then press -1. Now it is the time to show you how to register yourself on the school app. For that, you need to register yourself by pressing 1. Now it is asking for you how do you want to register yourself. So I'll register myself as an employee. So I'll press 2. Now it is asking for the 6-digit ID as provided from the school authority. So I'll enter the ID as 1, 2. Now it is asking for the password. So I'll enter any password. Now it is asking for the personal information. So I'll enter the personal informations. Now we have provided all the information about the employee. Let us now check whether the employee is registered or not. So we open our database and see whether the changes are reflected or not. So here is the ID and all the information which we have provided in our program, and yeah, there are all the information stored in it. So here we have come to the end of this demo video. Thank you for watching this video.